Hi all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna unfold this Airbus A321. I hope I said it right. I'm not an expert in airplane and airplane models, so I'm gonna say that from the beginning. I just got a collection at home of loads of old and new airplanes, and I want to share them with anyone out there who would like to see them and enjoys them and collects them. So this is how the box looks like. It's a very nice pretty color, as you can see. The back is upside down, sides. The scale is 1 to 200. And let's see inside. I mean, I've opened it before, but I want to do it on camera as well, so you can see it too. It's got a metal stand. You can see it properly. And I've been told to be very gentle and kind with it. This is the airplane. It's very detailed. My camera won't focus properly. Let me try and... There you go, it's a little bit better. See, it's very detailed. It's got pointy bits. The doors. I also have some wheels. These are the wheels. And some more bits which I have no idea what they are. I guess it's to kind of fill the gaps underneath when you don't have the wheels. Oh yeah, so you put them into the gaps over there where the wheels normally goes, and probably the little sticks is to open it. If anyone out there knows more than what I know, please leave in the comment section what they actually do. I'm just having a guess, and maybe if I look at the box on the instructions they might say what they're for, but I'm the lazy type of person. Let's see. Oh, they connect on quite easily. Is that right? Very cute. So this is how the Airbus looks on the stand. I have to be honest, I've seen some older models with the old designed on the wings, and I much prefer these ones. As far as I know, this new model of aircraft or Airbus, it's more efficient onto saving the fuel, I think, or something like that. But please don't take me for right, because I don't know much about airplanes and I might be wrong, but I know that there's a reason why they bend it like this now. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more videos. For the next video I'll try to do an Aegean Airbus model. See you next time.